Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Logitech Broadcaster Wi-Fi Webcam and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this is not connecting or not responding, or if it keeps disconnecting, if it's not connecting to Wi-Fi, if it's not pairing with your devices, all that kind of stuff can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now the second reason you're going to want to do this is if you're setting this up on a new computer or something like that, or just whatever situation where you just want to get everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that really easily with this device. So all we need to do is we're going to just come in and unplug the camera, and then with the camera unplugged, we're going to press and hold this power button for at least 10 seconds. And then after the 10 seconds is up, we're just going to plug the camera back in so that it will turn back on, and then we can release the button, and that will restore it to its factory default out of the box settings.